The default change style command allows you to set and change the style of entities in RealCAD. Selecting the command displays a dialog box listing the available styles. You have 256 to choose from, numbered from 0 to 255. The style is the dash pattern of the entities. Are they solid or dashed? If dashed, how many dashes are there? How long is each dash? And how far apart are they? Select the style you want. You can tell which you've selected by the blue bar, and the number is shown up here as well. Click OK. Any entities you draw from now on will be drawn in that style. The currently selected style number is shown here and displayed visually here. The clone option lets you set the style to match that of an existing entity. Click on the clone button, then click on the entity with the style you want, and the style is set. To change the style of an existing entity or entities, select them first and then select the command. Select the new style and click OK. Right click to end the selection and the entities have been changed. You can easily change the style of an entity to match that of another entity using the clone command. Select the entities you want to change, select the command, select the clone button, select the entity that has the style you want, and then right click to finish. You may need to refresh the screen using the Repaint Windows command, but the entity has now matched the one you selected. You can even set the style by simply typing the number here if you remember what the number is. You must press the Tab key to activate the new number, and you can't change an entity's style in this way. RealCAD comes with some styles preset for you, and the rest can be altered to suit your own needs. Select the command, select the style you want to change, and then select the Define Dash Style button. You can choose how many segments make up the dash pattern, which segment you are editing, and then for each segment the length of the dash and the following space, both in millimeters. For example, style 6 could be changed to have 2 segments, the first being 10 millimeters long with a 5 millimeter spacing after it. The second segment could be 2 millimeters long with a 5 millimeter spacing after it. Any entities drawn now will be drawn in this style, and in fact any entities previously drawn in style 6 will have their appearance changed as well. You can also define a style to have a pattern. Select the command and then select the Define Pattern Style button. It doesn't matter which style number is selected at the time. Click on the Browse button to look for RealCAD files that have been set up as pattern styles and select the one you want. You can change the height of the pattern, as well as the length scale, and you can decide whether it is based on a full-size pattern in your drawing or a scale to suit printing on paper. Click OK when you're happy with it. The style number has been changed to 255. This is always the case for pattern styles. Click OK again, and now anything drawn will be drawn in that pattern. Selecting an entity drawn with a pattern style can be a little confusing. You must select it along its base line. Clicking anywhere else won't work. This line can't be selected here, only at its base. Likewise, the circle can only be selected at its base. You can check the style of an entity by double-clicking on the entity. The dialog box shows the style information up here. That completes this tutorial.